Alright, this video is for Technix sound deadener. I'm trying to keep my car from like flapping apart. I'm going to show you the damage that my bass has caused. Don't know what song I'm going to use, but it doesn't have to be anything real big.
Holiday season.
Just went to Home Depot and spent $25 on that. Polyurethane construction adhesive. Says it bonds metal, so we'll see. And setting time 1 minute, translucent yellow. So we'll see how this thing goes. Trying to stop the car from coming apart. I blew a hole in it right there and right here. You can stick your finger in it. And this shit broke the welds back open. So hopefully by the time I get done, it'll all be good. I plan on putting a metal brace right here, like how the roofs are, held in by that tube thing. And then I'm going to put a sheet or two of Technix over it, and then a piece of wood that covers that whole thing right here, and then fill it up with spray foam, so hopefully it won't flex anymore, because I'm tired of that thing right there. Alright, I'll let you know how it goes. This is what peel and seal looks like after 2 years. It has no rigidity. As you can see, it has, well, it's done its name. And this one is separated from the backing is right here, and the actual aluminum is right here. It's aluminum, but that's the back. Look what we have here. A box. Wonder what's in it. Let's see, shall we? Grab some scissors. Oh. What? Is this Technix? it is. 10 pounds. Audio Technix. Oh, sticky. Pretty hard. Make a video of it going in later. Peel off the back. This is some sticky shiz, ladies and gentlemen. It's like peanut butter. Alright, I'll let you know how it goes. Out. I'm peeling up the old peel and seal. I'm almost there. That's spray foam. Piece of other foam. I already took it off the whole thing right here, so now it sounds all loud again. So as soon as I get that off, probably take that off too, take it in the back, weld this up, and then I'll be done. Alright, this is my car as of today. As you can see, I have no trunk and it's covered in pollen. I took off the trunk to paint it again. Oh, for those of you who didn't know, I got pulled over, and when the police was clearing my AR-15, he scratched the shit out of my trunk, so I filed a police report filed a complaint against him and stuff like that. The welds broke back loose, as you've seen from the previous part, so I welded it back up. And I got tired of the flapping, so I used some Loctite glue, adhesive, to glue in a metal bar to keep it from flexing. And on the bar, I covered it with Technix sound deadener. I'm not done with this side. I just did this at like 5 o'clock this morning just to see how it was going to react to the deadener. So I'm going to get all the way over there, down there, cover it. Probably going to do 2 layers on the top half of the bar. Same thing over here. Then I'm going to do the trunk lid in about a layer. Then the rest I'm going to find places to put it. I might do it on the roof. Keep the roof from flexing. No, it's a big bee. Oh. Yeah, cover up well with it and put some adhesive around the part that's coming off. I also plan on putting a piece of wood right here, filling the whole thing with spray foam. So hopefully it'll hold. Well, oh yeah, I also got some HIDs now. Oh, it's hot in here. I had to pull my dash out yesterday. It was a little fire. The the negative speaker wire touched, or the negative speaker wire of my big amp touched the positive of where the back battery should be hooked up, and it started a little fire where the RCAs connect to my little bass knob. I didn't know where it was coming from, so I just had to snatch the whole dash out. Let's see the HIDs. Open the hood. Oh, damn it, it's already open. I have this limb mount, the little tiny ballast. So in a couple minutes, I'm gonna go back in the house and get a few more. I found that it works a lot easier if you just cut it into like foot sections. Alright, I got all of the Audio Technix on the quarter panels that I'm gonna put on there. It's like 3 layers in certain spots over here. And I put in a big old bar, keep it from flexing, so you can hear it. Same thing. It's like 4 over here, because this was the spot where it was the worst. As you can see, all of that had to be welded. It was a hole right here that I had to fill in. Probably gonna have to take off the back bumper to get this part looking good. Had to weld that. It's pretty dead. And the rest of this I cut up into sheets. There's 10 sheets left. I'm gonna do my trunk lid with that. Might have to break out the trunk lid sooner than later because it looks like it's gonna rain. I want to have my car sitting out here without a lid. So the rest of those sheets are going on the trunk lid. I'll keep you posted. Alright, I went and put my trunk back on just to put the deadener on it. And I used up all the rest of it. The last sheet went right there. And I have some old school rubberized undercoating. Probably gonna spray under the car a little bit. I don't think it'll work on the trunk floor. Too much stuff moving. But I'm gonna try to tighten up all of these little noises that I hear. Keep the box from sliding to the left. It's pretty annoying. Yeah, it's doing a fucking super job. Like, before, that would just like plop, 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 plop. And this side has like 4 or 5 layers on one part. Because this is the worst part over here. I have to ghetto it black. Is it about to rain? Is it raining? No. Okay. I had to ghetto with black. Spray a little bit of rubberized undercoat in there, and it's a big B. Get out of here. Alright. Wet sand and clear and all of that jizz coming soon. The hell is this on my wheels? Oh. What else? Oh. Yeah, I'm still gonna put a piece of wood coming up here, filling this whole area with spray foam, hopefully. I'm gonna use this piece of foam as a little wall / template. Alright. Yeah, just used the 3 cans of spray foam to fill in the area over there. I couldn't use wood right now. So I had to use styrofoam. But I put tape all around it, so it should hold up. So when it gets bigger, it's gonna hold it in place, hopefully. Then I'm gonna probably have to get another can. I don't know if it's gonna fill it up. Man, it's holding up good. There's a little bubble. My lady's in the front seat. I'm about to mess with her. Alright, here we go. Hey, woman. Hey. Say hi.
Are you serious?
Say hi, beautiful. Will you cut it out?
You can get the back of my neck.
She just got her little hair dead. Turn around and just say hey.
Hey.
I'm putting you in a video.
No.
Yes.
Not with me looking like this.
Come on.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my God.